Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Introduction of Q sound. Q is the 17th letter of the alphabet. It makes the Q sound, just like in Quail. When you say Q, your lips make a small circle, and your tongue moves back slightly. Word recognition. Let's learn some words that begin with the letter Q. Q for quail, a small bird that loves to run. Q for quilt, a warm, soft blanket. Q for quill, a special feather used for writing. Q for Quaid-e-Azam, the great leader of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Can you think of more words that start with Q? Writing practice. Now let's trace and write the letter Q. Follow the dotted lines carefully and practice both uppercase Q and lowercase q. Say Q every time you write it. Activity. Beginning sound recognition. Look at the picture below and write the first letter. 1. Queen. Write Q. Great job! You're learning fast. More vocabulary. Here are some more words that begin with Q. New words. Queen, a royal lady. Quetta, a famous city in Pakistan. Quite, a word we use when something is very calm or soft. Quiz, a fun test with questions. Quick, something very fast. Question, something we ask when we want to know something. Quack, the sound a duck makes. Wow, you did an amazing job learning about the letter Q. Keep practicing, and soon you'll know all the letters. Next time, we'll explore another exciting letter. See you soon. Bye-bye.